I didn't know Sarah very well, but her sister was always very nice to me. And I thought Megan would... I don't really belong here, do I?
Marty, I think it's very touching of you to come by. I really do. I think Megan would have thought so, too.
You know, Joey and Alana are in the solarium, and I'm sure they'd love to see you.
Sorry, Renee. We're out of the solarium. I think the Rev Meister and Cassie deserve some privacy.
Reverend Carpenter.
Yeah, Marty, come with us. Billy be here soon.
That's okay, Alana.
We're supposed to eat and stuff, right? Try to smile?
Yes, I know it's hard, but I would appreciate you giving it your best shot. Thank you.
Come on.
I never really got the chance to get to know Sarah. But if she was anything like the rest of your family, she must have been pretty terrific.
Yes, she was. Billy, you know, I wasn't all that happy about your staying here this fall. Truth is, I wasn't all that happy about your friendship with Joey.
I know, sir. But at least you were always polite with the way you felt, which is more than I can say for my own father.
Well, the fact is, I've admired the way you've conducted yourself. And I just want you to know that you're welcome here anytime.
Thank you, sir.
I don't need any more of your famous friendly advice.
Don't worry, Marty. You're not getting any friendly advice. You are going to get a dose of my righteous indignation. How dare you use this sad day to attack Andrew?
Oh, come on. Call me every name in the book. You've been waiting to let this all out on me ever since you found out that I started the rumor about Andrew and Billy.
This is going to come as a tremendous shock to you. But if Andrew can forgive you for the harm that you did to him and to Billy Douglas, I can certainly manage it.
Oh, aren't we noble? Aren't we good?
My dear, you can sneer all you want. It doesn't really matter. You see, I really only want the best for you. I always have ever since I first met you. And that's because I know just a little bit about you. I know how hard it is to deal with your illness. Megan understood that, too.
She didn't judge me.
No, she didn't. And neither do I. I also know your Aunt Kiki. And I can only imagine how difficult it must have been growing up without a responsible adult in your life.
Oh, you sound like you know me better than my shrink does. Well, guess what? I don't need your pity.
Oh, you are absolutely 100% right. You don't need anyone's pity. But you do need something.
Mom? Is everything okay?
Yes, darling, everything's fine. Why don't you three entertain our guest here? She seems a bit bored with me.
Got that right.
Marty, what's going on?
You really want to know? Your mommy just let me have it because I had the guts to criticize the blessed Andrew.
Oh, well, what's wrong with Andrew?
He uses people. He makes you feel like you're the most special person in his life, but it's all lies. He wants to have it both ways. Well, guess what? To hell with him. To hell with his morality. To hell with Vicky and all her good advice. Why should I care about people if they don't give a damn about me?
Hey, Marty, where are you going?
To raise from hell. Is that a problem with you?
Joey, you don't know how lucky you are.
Lucky? Lucky Sarah's gone. Dad's living back here, but he's living in the guest room.
Joey,
I'm lucky.
All you have to do is look around today. Your family's together, man.
Billy, it's about time we were going.
Sure, Mom.
Okay, we'll see you later, Bill. I'm gonna take Joey back for some seconds, maybe some food will cheer him up.
Joey and Alana, before you go, I just wanted to say thank you for being such good friends to my son this summer when his own mother... Well, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Later, Bill.
Bye.
Mom?
Hmm?
What made you think of the, last summer?
Today, when I was reminded how fragile life can be, how quickly one can lose. I've been doing a lot of reading since this summer. And I know how many gay teens never make it because they're ashamed of who and what they are. It literally can... Thank God that didn't happen to you. I don't know what I would have done.
It's okay, Mom. It's okay.
You're okay. And I want you to know that. I love you just the way you are. And I never, ever want to lose you.
Well, you never will. Let's go home.